guys, welcome to my vlog. Andito po kami sa may birthday party. Anak ng tropa, dinala lang. Ayan po yung venue nila. Oh, ang ganda ng swimming pool. Diba? Ang ganda. Sila. Maraming tao guys. Yun po yung tropa. Kaya yung lumakad. Yan yung tatay sa birthday ngayon. May kain lang po. Diba?
Birthday of my father, and the best that we have, and he is healthy and very active. Thank you very much, Father, for these days and for all our friends that came here, and we hope that after this celebration that they are hosting, going back home. Thank you for this day. Amen. Happy.
Yun na po yung my birthday.
Let's sing happy birthday. Mamili ka na happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Kaya po tayo.
Kakain na.
Ladies first. Ito ba yung una kumain?
Dami pagkain guys, oh. Dami pagkain, may soft drinks pa. Kakain na. Guys. Happy birthday kay Pam.
Sila Mark, sila Rodolfo.
Ayun ko, saan na yun?
Sabi mo, punta daw sila eh.
O, saan na bay? Nasa na ground naman na bay. Ligo na bay, timpasaw ba?
Kailangan na
kumain guys, oh. Grabe guys. Sila lang dalawa na iwan dyan. Grabe, naubos nila yung mga pagkain nyo. Sila lang dalawa bumanak, oh. Dalawa lang sila bumanat din guys. Oh, yun oh.